Hello my friends, I'm Jeff and this is called a paper fortune teller. Today I'll show you how to make one and how to use it. So let's start. It's a fun little craft. What you need is a square piece of paper. So you could take regular printer paper, fold it like this so that the sides meet, this corner to here, fold this over and cut it off. That would give you a square. I already have a square here and I'm going to use origami paper, a white sheet. So what we do is we take this point and bring it to this point so that we're going to have a diagonal crease. Okay, open that up. And then bring this point to this point. And when we open it up again, it's going to look like a kite. Okay, let's open that up. I'm going to take each corner and bring it to the center. Try and be even, because you want it to turn out pretty on par with what it's supposed to look like, but if not, that's okay. Just try your best. Okay. This is great for younger kids, but I guess older can have fun with it too. Okay, now that we move them all to the center, flip it over. Gonna do the same thing again. It's relatively simple and easy to follow. Okay. Now you see we got both sides where the corners are to the center. Now we just fold it over. The side that we just folded in gets folded over. And we do the same here. And now I'm going to show you how to use it. What you do is you take your thumb and your forefinger. And I've seen some people not sure how to move this. So I'm trying to be clear on it. Take your thumb. Put it under the front flap, take your index finger and move it under the back flap. So you'll be pinching the inside like that. And when you have that, push it together, push it apart. Get it in that groove where it could just freely move. And now you have your fortune teller. In order to use it though, because you want to have something to do with it, you would take your colors, right? Any markers or crayons. Each square gets a color. So I colored them red, pink, blue, and green. And then you number the inside. I did 1 through 4. You can do 1 through 8 because you see there's 8 sections here. And then you write the fortune inside. So it would go like this. Pick a color. I pick red. Okay, red. Spelled R-E-D. Pick a number. Okay, I pick 2. So then we go 1, 2. Now pick another number. Okay, 1. So I'm going to open it up. And what does it say? You will turn into a frog. Okay, hopefully not. You don't want to be a frog, but that's how it's done. And I hope you have fun making it. Be kind to your friends. Don't write anything that you wouldn't want them to say to you. Let's see what else I wrote. You will be visited by a ghost. You'll get chocolate for all your meals and you'll get rich. Okay, it's pretty fun. So now you know how to do it. I hope you were able to follow along and had some fun with it. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell if you want to see more. Bye for now.